Hello, it's your girl Carisha from travelwithcarisha.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am pumped up because I have an iPhone 12 Pro unboxing. I ordered this phone, I pre-ordered it before it came out, and it has been sitting downstairs for about a week and a half. So yeah, let's get into it. Here's my box. This is a for real unboxing. Look, I got my knife and I'm just gonna rip it open. And we are going to unbox this baby and take a look. See what we got. So, of course, they have a lot of paper, stuffing. Then you have your receipt. And there she is in all her glory, my iPhone 12. Heavy. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro. So let me just open it up. So there is the case. And I got the silver. So that's how it looks. Okay, so here she is. Here's the back. Here's the sides. Oh, it's nice and sleek. Here's the other side. Here's the top. I love those 3 cameras. Look at that. So this phone compared to, let me see where my iPhone is. This phone compared to my iPhone X. I currently have an X. There she is. That was a picture of me in Egypt. So this phone is a lot heavier than my X. And you got to think, the 12 Pro doesn't even have a case on it yet. But that's okay. We're going to work with it. So here's the cover. I'm just going to take that off. Isn't she beautiful? Gorgeous. So it's really sleek. It feels really nice in my hand. I have not yet bought a phone case. And obviously, as you all know, it only comes with yeah, just the phone. You don't get a charger or anything like that, which I'm totally okay with because I didn't really need a charger. So let's just take a look and go over the specifics. So the edges are really flat. That's really good because you do get more screen. It did come in 4 colors: the graphite, silver, the gold, the Pacific blue, but I went for the silver. This phone is the 256 gig. They also had a 128 and a 512. I thought the 256 was perfect for me because I film a lot of travel content. The 512 I just thought that was a little bit too much. This is the first iPhone with 5G, so I'm super excited. As you can see, the camera, we have the wide, the ultra wide, and the telephoto. Can't wait to shoot and see how pictures actually look with this iPhone, and I will be doing a video over that, so make sure you subscribe. It records up to 60 frames per second, so that is just really smooth, which will be good for my travel content, so you guys stay tuned for that. And it has 4 times faster autofocus, so that's really good because that's super important. I feel like on the X, my autofocus was a little bit slow, and I could see it sometimes if I use my iPhone to record. You know, that was bothersome. So lots of upgrades with this new phone. Let's just do a really quick comparison. I'm going to take the case off of this one, and we're also going to set the phone up. So just a really quick comparison between the 12 Pro and the X. So as you can see, the 12 Pro is a tad bit taller, obviously wider, just a tad bit bigger. Now, my iPhone X, I actually did not want to buy the 12 Pro. Well, fortunately, my iPhone X a couple of weeks ago blacked out on me and was stuck on the Apple screen for 8 hours. I went to the Apple store. I went to Mac HQ. Nobody could help me. My phone stayed stuck on the Apple screen. And eventually I was able to unlock it, but once we were able to restore it, unfortunately it's having sound issues. So literally before the launch, I ended up having to go ahead and buy a new phone. So we're going to go ahead and set this baby up, but that's the comparison. I think this one, because the X is a lot more, is a lot rounder. So I like this one in my hand a lot better. It feels more secure than the X. The 12 Pro leaps and bounds feels a lot more secure. So excited to have the new phone. Not too happy about why I had to get one. But, you know, here we are. So let's set this baby up. Okay, so now we are about to set the phone up. Obviously, you select your country, United States. Quick start. We're going to go ahead and, okay, we're going to set it up manually. See? Okay, that's my Wi-Fi. Beyonce. Okay, let me put in my password. Hold on 1 second. Should be connected to Wi-Fi. Okay. Take a few minutes to activate. Yay, continue. You read the data and privacy information, Face ID. Sure, why not? So let's do Face ID. So we are going to set up the Face ID. So you get started and you position your face. You're not supposed to do all that. So you do your circular motion. Okay, come on, iPhone. Ah! So scan complete. Continue. So you move your head slowly. There we go. Complete. And then you're going to create a passcode. So that's done. And then apps and data, I'm going to go ahead and restore from iCloud backup. Now, what's my password? Now I'll put the password in that I was putting in for Wi-Fi because I was, yeah. Basically, it asks for if I wanted to allow this, the new iPhone to access my Apple ID, and I put yes. And now I'm entering in the code that is sent on my iPhone X. So you put that code in, and terms and conditions, you read all that, hit agree. Take a few moments to set up your Apple ID, and it's ticking. So the last backup was the 27th. Other backups was the 2nd. I think I'm going to go with the September 27th. So add cards, we'll set that up later. Improve Siri, not now. iPhone analytics, I'm good, don't share. And now to restore from iCloud. So it's just doing its time remaining. So once this is done, I will be back.